Endorphins are often referred to as feel-good hormones or the happiness hormone, but their role extends beyond happiness alone. Endorphins are a group of chemicals called neurotransmitters that are produced by the central nervous system and the pituitary gland in response to various stimuli, such as pain, stress, exercise, or pleasurable activities. While endorphins can contribute to feelings of happiness and well-being, their primary function is to act as natural painkillers. They help block pain signals in the brain and spinal cord, promoting feelings of comfort and euphoria. Endorphins also play a role in regulating stress and modulating the immune system. Physical activities like exercise, laughter, and certain foods can trigger the release of endorphins. For example, engaging in aerobic exercise has been shown to increase endorphin levels, leading to a phenomenon often referred to as the runner's high. However, endorphins are just one piece of the complex puzzle of human emotions and well-being. Serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and other neurotransmitters also play important roles in regulating mood and happiness. It's important to note that while endorphins can enhance positive emotions, they do not solely determine one's overall happiness. Happiness is a multifaceted experience influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors.